Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial series of Python programming. In this tutorial, we will learn about what is block indentation and how can we use it as well as we will learn about data types in this tutorial. Let's begin with the block indentation. Python uses the block indentation just to define and control the loop content inside of the function. However, it is required us to pay attention during using of white space and tab bottom. Since Python is a scripting language, initiation play a vital role, whereas some IDE like Visual Studio Code, it has a Python extension which help us for proper indentation. Let's try indentation with a perfect example. Just like let's start Python interpreter. Just check for if you assign variable just like this one over here, if a is greater than 2, print a, else print b. You can have a look over here. Since here it arises a problem of indentation problem because I haven't provided a proper white space or tab bottom over here. If I do like this one by providing a proper white space over here, just like print a, else print b, you can have a loop over here because the output has been arrived. This much is the case for the indentation. Indentation simply means about the proper use of white space and tab over the Python programming or the scripting programming. Now after block indentation, let's start about Python data type. Python has various data types just like string data type, set data type, number data type, list data type, directional data type, and tuple data type. Let's have a look over string data type. What is string data type? Strings are identified as a character represented in the quotation marks. Just like over here, you can have a look over the string data type. Just like if you do like this one, you can have a look. This is the string data type. You can find out just by doing like this one. You can see this is the class is string. This is the string data type. String data type is defined inside the quotation mark, just like over here the name Sushant is defined inside the two quotation mark. Now let's have a look over the set data type. What is set data type? Simply, set data type can be defined as the an unordered collection of unique element and they are mutable. Mutable means new object can be added and duplicate will be removed over the set data type. Just like for example, you can have a look over here. I have created one set just by curly braces. Set are usually unique character inside the curly braces over here. Just like if I define this one, 2, 1, a, b. Okay, just print this one. You can see over here the set of data has been printed. You can see over here the unique set of data, unique data is only printed over here. Just like here is the redundant data AA, simply the single A has arrived here. You can see over here BB, only a single set, 1 only a single, 2. You can look over here. Here the addition also occur in between themselves, and you can see over here the set of value 4 have also arrived over here. If you want somewhat to be inset, just like if you want my name to be inset, just look over here. If I define Sushant over here and just want the set of my name Sushant, you can have a look over here. Just like doing this one. You can see over here this is the proper set of set data types of my name Sushant. You can also simply add, since it is mutable, you can add a new item. I have said earlier, you can just do like this to add a data over here. Just like if I want f to be added over the data set, and if I try to print out, you can see over here f has been added over here. That's all for this set data type. Now just have a look over the number data type. What is number data type? In Python, number data type simply have 4 types. You can just like integer, float, complex, and long. If I write here, if I write a equal to 12, yeah, and if I print for a, you can have a look. Oh, sorry, equal to 12, like this one. Print a, you can have a int object is not callable. You can have a look over here. I have done a little error over here. I have assigned the that the keyword of Python itself, and it's arising a lot problem over here. I will fix it. Just wait. You can see over here. So for this error, I just exited the program over here and just started a new script. Let's try for this number data type over here in Python. Just have a look over here. If I assign a equal to 18 and just I tried for print a, you can have a look. A has been printed over here. Then if I want to see what type of data is, you can just do like this. Type of a, it is the integer, just like for float. You can see over here, if I do like this, if I assign equal to 2, you just try for print a, you can have a look. A has been printed, and type of data for this one is for float over here. Just like let's try for a complex data type. You can see over here. Let's try for this one. If I assign it has 3.14j and just writing over here type of a, you can see over here is the complex type of data. Just like for you can see for a long type of data also. Just like if I do like this, oh sorry, you can have a look over here. Just I have turned on that mistakenly over here. Just like if I try for this one, if I try to print the type of a, you can see over here it's provides us in. Sorry, the long data type is not supported after Python 3. So let's try over list data type. Let's try over list. What is list data type then? List data type simply list data type contains the items separated by the comma, then is and inside or within the square bracket. You can have a look for example of list data type, just like over here. Yeah, like this one. You can just simply print list over here. You can have a look over here. This is the list data type over. You can retrieve the data from list, just like over here. Just if you want some data over here from the list, you can just put like over this one. See over here, it's provide you the first two data, this one and this one over here from the list. You can also get if you try for this one negative one, you can have a look over here. If you want oh sorry, just have a look over here. I've done a small mistake over here. So provide a parenthesis over here and this one, and over here this one and this one. Okay. Sorry, again over here, over here, it should be parenthesis over here. Just like you can look over here, if negative portion, it starts from here at the end of the array over here, list array over here. Let's try to add a list over here. Let's define another list, list one, which contains hello, comma, world over here, and just try to print this list one. You can see over here, hello world has arrived. Now let's try to add this to list. Just what we can do over here, just try for print list plus list one. Just parenthesis. You can see over here both the data of both the list have arrived over here. Now just try to do multiplication scenario over here. Just like if you try for yeah, this one, you can have a look over here. Hello world is printed 2 times. These are the things for the list data type. Now let's have a look over the dictionary data type. Dictionary data type can be regarded as data type which consists of the key pairs data. It is simple. It is simple enclosed by curly braces, and the value can be assigned and accessed by the square bracket. Now you can see over here example for data dictionary. That dictionary data type is just like over here. If you define dictionary, and this is the key and this is the value for that key, you can have a look over here, and the comma separated the data, and this is the key, another key, and you can see over here the age and it is integer, so simply define like this. You can have a look over here. If I try for just to print the dictionary, you can have a look over here. You can find here you can find the dictionary data over here. If you just like if you try to access the key for to get the value of that key, you can just do like this one. If I try for name, you can have a look at the key. Name has the value red, so you can see over here. Sorry, it's not a DICT, it's TIC. Okay, a simple just a call right now. So just let's try for this one. Yeah, you can get it. Yeah, you can get a name or key value over here just by doing like this one. You can also print the values that are available over. Yeah, you can have a look. A dictionary has the values red and 10. You can see over here we have done over here that the dictionary is the key and this is the values, and the name has the values red, and age has the value 10. This is the key, age is the key over here, and we have asked for Python to print the dictionary value over here, and it has successfully printed the dictionary value. You can also print just like you can also print for dictionaries keys, dictionaries keys. You can have a look over here. Yeah, Python has successfully printed the dictionary keys over here. This is the stuff for how can we retrieve the data of the list data that are in the list by simply indexing over here. And you can also now let's look after the tuples. What is tuples? Tuples data type. Let's have a look over here. Tuples are just like list being closes inside the parentheses. any data that are encloses inside the parentheses is simply defined as list. This is the simple type of tuples. Tuples cannot be updated. Tuples are immutable, that is it cannot be updated. Just like let's try the example of tuple over here. And 1 2 3, just doing, and simply is a string. I have to provide quotation mark over here. Yeah, just if I print for tuple, you can see over here this is the tuple data. And like let's take in tuple, you can, let's index the data and take 1 2 3. Yeah, you can see over here this is the 0, this is 1. If you try for 1, you will get hello over here. You can also do this one. List, you can also add tuple over here. You can see over here, if I do like this, oh sorry, and tuple, okay, like this. Yeah, and now just printing tuple 1 plus tuple. You can see over here world has right over here. This is the this is from the tuple 1 and tuple 2. So you can see over here, since I have said that tuple is immutable, you cannot add or update over, you cannot update over tuple. See over here, just like if you try for update, you can see over here object does not support this item assignment because the tuple does not support the update operation. This was for block indentation and data type. Hope you understand about the Python block indentation and data type. Next video we will learn about operator in Python. Thanks for watching this video.